Of course, we have all of our wires marked. The next thing we're going to do is cut all the wires out, and then we'll re-bring everything back together. You want to make sure all the power's off. I have the whole motor shut down, and I've checked and we have no power in here whatsoever. So, we're going to go ahead and start cutting. And I want to leave as much wire as I can. So I have some wire enough to use, but not coming up short. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting all these apart. Now we know that these two wires are going to have to be put back together. There's a wire nut on it. Go ahead and take them off. I know this is kind of scary, taking all these apart. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that and get these all taken apart. And as soon as I do that, it's going to take me a little bit, but as soon as I'm done with that, I'll come back and we'll show you how we're going to put all these wires back together. Now with some of these, we're going to be cutting off our tape. Just make sure when you do that, you have your tape available to go ahead and remark that. Don't leave anything off the memory, because things that make a mistake. Always remark your wire. Alright, we're getting there. We almost have everything dismantled here. I still have to take off these connectors for the knot, or the MX wire. Okay, we'll get these off, and then next we'll box everything up. We got a couple more of those to do, and then we'll start putting our boxes in and hooking everything back together.